Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll be showing you how to share voice messages on Instagram using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone and head over to your direct messages, which you can do by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your inbox, where all your conversations are stored. Find the conversation where you want to send a voice message. Now, when you're in the chat, look for the microphone icon, which is the button you'll use to record your voice message. Once you're ready, you have two options for recording. You can either press the microphone button and start speaking into it, or hold down the button without lifting your finger. As you talk, your voice message is being recorded. If you press the button without holding it down, you'll need to tap Send after you finish recording to forward the message. This gives you a chance to review your message before sending it. But if you prefer to send the message immediately, just keep holding the microphone button while you talk. As soon as you release your finger, the message will automatically send. Both options work perfectly, so it's really up to you which method you prefer. Whether you want to review your message or send it instantly, Instagram makes it super easy to communicate using voice. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips on how to use your iPhone and other devices. See you later.